Hello, so we're going to change the ink of the HP NV6000 series. Here we have the cartridge. We're going to open first the cartridge, and then we're going to change the ink of our printer. So this is the box. We're going to open first the box of our printer. So I'm using my left hand to open it. So it's kind of difficult because I'm holding the phone for filming. Anyway, this cartridge box came from Germany. We're living here in Spain, so it is nearer. Okay. So every time that we need ink, they send it. We can just check the status of our ink in our website. So here you go. This the box. It has some information here available in different languages, and also this is the cartridge. So it looks like this. Okay. What else do we have here? This one is to send them. Okay, is to return the cartridge once it's empty. So we're going to open this small box. So this is the cartridge. This one is color black. Actually, it has two. One is for colors and this one is for the black. Okay, I'm going to open it. Okay, so here we go. We just open it. So this is the cartridge. Okay, it looks like this, guys. Okay, HP 67304 Instalink black ink cartridge. It has a plastic over here. We have to remove this plastic here before we put to the cartridge place. Okay, so this is our printer. You have to open this one is not the cover. Okay, you have to open everything, so you can just open from here. We have to put it up, this part of the printer, all of this part. Okay, now we can see here the cartridge. Here is the colored one and this is the black one. So this is what we're going to replace, the color black here. So this is our new cartridge. We have to remove the plastic here first, right? Okay, so that's it. So this is the place where we're going to put it below. Okay, so you have to pull up this part rather. Okay, so here we go, guys. So we have to remove this cartridge. Okay, so this is the old cartridge, ink cartridge that we have, and now we have to put the new one, this one. It's not complicated, guys, as you can see. It's just that I'm holding the phone, so it's a little bit difficult. That's it. So I already put it. So once these cartridges will have an empty ink, we will get a notice or information from our HP dashboard. So we're going to close it. Okay, and then that's it. Now it's reading here, the information here, and it's already available for printing. So as simple as that, guys. So it is just a quick step to change the cartridge of the HP NV Series 6000. So if you can see here, we have here the information. This one is not yet ready for printing. This one is, it's connected to the web, and it is actually updating. Okay, and later we will get the notice that it's now ready for printing. Okay, so I think this one is like a trial. This printer is really smart. Okay. Okay, so that's the trial page. As you can see here later, if it's available for printing, so this information, all of them will be turning light. So that's it. It goes also with the aligning and the testing of the ink. It's so convenient and it's so easy to use, guys. This HP NV series 6000. I just bought it in a discount here in Madrid, in El Corte. So that's it. So this is the sample. Okay, proper alignment. Alignment required for best quality print quality. So that's it. Okay, so I guess that the printer is now ready for use. If you have question, you can comment to our comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nathaniel Travels. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, this is the envelope where we need to return the usable cartridge. So, well, this cartridge, we can just put it here inside of this plastic bag, and then it's ready to return to France. Okay. I don't know, maybe this one is also a good thing to help the environment, right? So La Poste Reverse Logistics Center, number 7130-99003, Paris.